So today we are doing a little beauty hack that just piqued my interest so much that I just had to make a video with just this one hack itself because it was so interesting to me. So that's what I did. I tested it out, and if you want to find out what that hack is, just keep watching. Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well, and for those of you that are new, my name is Mandy. Welcome to the video. Alright guys, so I put out a hack video the other day. For those of you that watched it, if you'll remember that there was one hack that I did not test. I wanted to make a video just specifically about this one hack because it just intrigued me so much. The hack is that you make your morning coffee and then you spray your coffee onto your beauty blender and you do your makeup. The caffeine inside of the coffee is supposed to give your skin a certain glow to it, to make your skin look younger and a lot more flawless. And it's also supposed to make your makeup last longer than. So guys, if y'all know me, y'all know I'm weird and I like trying these weird hacks. So that is exactly what we done today. And at the end, I will tell you my little thoughts on it. So let's go ahead and jump into that tutorial, guys. Alright guys, so now we have tested out the hack. So guys, as you can see, and I also did updates throughout the day on how the foundation, how the makeup was holding up. Guys, I hate to say this because I love it when a hack goes good. This done absolutely nothing. I cannot find anything that this done. My makeup did not last as longer than it usually does, but it didn't really do anything bad either. Now, I'm assuming that over time, maybe if you use enough caffeine in your makeup somehow or another, I'm not sure if that is supposed to tighten up your skin a little bit or what. But as for just doing it one time, it didn't really do anything. But it did not alter the color of my foundation. I used a foundation that I use daily, so I know it didn't change the color of that. But as far as it helping the longevity of the makeup or making it look more flawless, that specific foundation I do use daily, and it didn't make it look any more flawless. It didn't make it look any more different. So this is one hack, guys, that I think that I will be done with. It could go down the drain. I think people just put out hacks just to see how many people's going to do them, and here I am. Of course, I was the one that tried it. I put coffee on my face. But other than that, guys, I do love trying out hacks because I do love finding the hacks that actually work. I love it when I find a hack that works because you know what it does do? It simplifies my makeup routine, if you know what I mean. I mean, I absolutely love finding stuff that helps simplify it. I do. I'm a weirdo. I don't know. But if there are any more hacks that are really weird like that y'all want me to test out, put them down in the comment section, and I will be the test dummy. That's right, me. I'll test a hack out. I'll test a hack out. I'll test a hack out. Oh, God, by the way, guys, oh, my goodness, oh, my goodness. Now, I was going to film a haul, but I didn't get but a couple of things, so I don't think it is video worthy, really. But I do have to show you this one thing I got, guys. This is so cool. This is the LA Colors. It's metal lipstick, and this is shade Pixie Dust. And as you can see, well, other than the lipstick that I got on it, it is completely white. Check that out, guys. And it does have like little glitter shimmers. It's more of a sheen. It's not the chunky glitter. Guys, I think I am going to try this for a highlighter. I think it is absolutely beautiful. Now, I've not worn this on my lips alone, but I have used it as a topper. And it just makes, well, with the 2 liquid lipsticks that I used it with, it made the most beautiful nude shade with a little bit of shimmer. And I wish y'all could see this really good. I'll try to get close-ups, and I will pop up a swatch here somewhere. But it has got a shift. It's got a blue-purple shift to it, and there's other shift colors in it. If that makes any sense, guys. It looks like green and blues and purples. It's just got a rainbow shift to it, and I think it is absolutely gorgeous, and I am definitely wanting to try this out for a highlighter. I think it would work really good. But I got this at the Family Dollar store for $2. And you can't beat it. You cannot beat this. I absolutely love this. This is like the best thing that I bought in forever. And just $2, guys. I wish y'all could see. Let's see how close I could get. I wish y'all could see how good this works. Now I got lipstick all over it. I hate when I do this to lipsticks, guys. But I think it's very unique. I mean, I'm sure that there's 100,000 of these that I don't know about. But I absolutely love this, and I want to try it out for a highlighter. I just cannot wait to try it out for a highlighter. I think it would make a perfect cream highlighter. But $2, guys. $2. This is LA Colors Metal Lipstick. So anyways, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing me make a fool out of myself by putting coffee on my face. Oh, well, we got a good lipstick out of the deal anyways. You know how this goes. People think I'm crazy anyways. So if you enjoyed the video, hell, if you like me in general, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so, so much. And we will see you next video. Bye, guys.